division of integers is just like division of whole numbers. First, suppose 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. But minus 10 divided by 2, minus 10 is an integer. 10 is also an integer, but these two are whole numbers, we get another whole number. But for all the integers in division, we don't get whole numbers, only for certain numbers. And this is divisible by this. Without any remainder, we get an integer. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, but minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5. We divide the two integers just like we divide the whole numbers and put the negative sign. Similarly, if the negative sign is for the other number, minus 2, we divide the 2 as just like whole numbers, 10 by 2, 5, and put a negative sign. So there is only one negative symbol or negative integer, only one negative integer in both numbers, we get negative sign. Suppose there are both the numbers, both the integers are negative, like this, minus n divided by minus 2, then this is equal to plus 5. When both the integers are negative, we get positive. If we have only one negative sign, we get negative sign. Minus 10 divided by 2 is equal to minus 5. 10 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 5. Because here only one negative sign among the two, and here also one negative sign. If both the integers are negative, we get again positive. Just like we know that positive into positive is equal to positive. Positive into negative is equal to negative. Negative into positive is equal to negative. Negative into negative is equal to positive in multiplication. Similarly, in division also, positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Positive divided by negative is equal to negative. Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive. So remember this 4 steps. So division of integers is like this, just like whole numbers. If both the integers have negative sign, we get positive. If only one integer is negative, we get negative. If an integer is divided by 1, if an integer, suppose minus 8, it is an integer, it is divided by 1, we get the same integer. Minus 8 divided by 1 is equal to minus 8. Or 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, when an integer is divided by 1, we get the same number. When an integer divided by 0 is not defined, So division by 0 is not defined. Therefore, an integer is divided by 0 is meaningless. It is not defined. An integer divided by 1 gets the same integer. Next, an integer is divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. This is associative property. See, a divided by b, for example, take a is equal to 8, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 2. Now we get the 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. We get it as 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is 4 divided by 2, 2. So 8 divided by 2, 4. But here, 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. 8 divided by divided by 4 is 2, divided by 2, it is equal to 1. Therefore, here we got 4 and here we got 1. Therefore, division is not associative. Also, division is not commutative. Addition and multiplication are commutative. That means a plus b is equal to b plus a. If the order is changed, the value doesn't change. A plus b is equal to b plus a. We can add in either way. Similarly, a into b is equal to b into a. The order can be changed. The product will be the same. This is commutative property. Commutative property of addition and the commutative property of multiplication. And the commutative property doesn't hold good for subtraction. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. You can check taking an example. So commutative property doesn't hold good. So for division also doesn't follow the commutative property. That is a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a, where a and b are integers. Whereas they are not equal to, a is not equal to 0 or b is not equal to 0, because division by 0 is not defined. For example, let us take a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. Then a divided by b, 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. b divided by a, 5 divided by 10 is equal to half. So they are not equal, they are different. Therefore, commutative property doesn't hold good for division, or division doesn't follow the commutative property. Integer divided by 1 is equal to the same integer, but an integer is divided by minus 1, it is not equal to the same integer. It is equal to minus a. A divided by minus 1 is equal to minus a. For example, 10 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 10, or minus 8 divided by minus 1 is equal to 8. The sign of the integer changes when it is divided by minus 1. Any integer divided by 1 gets the same integer. Any integer divided by minus 1 is not equal to the same integer, but the integer with the opposite sign. If the integer is positive, we get, when divided by minus 1, we get negative, the same integer with negative sign. When negative integer is divided by minus 1, we get the same the integer, the same number with the opposite sign, positive. Minus 8 divided by minus 1 is equal to 8, or 8 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 8.